Welcome back, and we are going to talk about percentage. On the quiz 0, there is a question about percentage. Most of you didn't do it right, so let's go to talk about percentage. When you imagine you have an item, an article, let's say a shirt. The shirt costs $50. So this is the amount of money, the price P, and the price P is $50. So imagine that you are the seller, and you want to increase the price by a certain amount. Let's say that you want to increase the price 5%. So how much will be the final price? And what is the increment? So the increment is the amount that you have to add to the $50. So the increment we will name like delta P. This is the increment. And we want to increase the $50 of the shirt in 2.5%. So what will be the final price? The final price will be 2.5% of $50. And how you will calculate this is 2.5% multiplied by 50 divided by 100. So if you do this calculation, will be this 0 goes with this 0, 2.5 multiplied by 5 is 12.5, and 12.5 divided by 10 is 1.25. So if you want to increase the price in 2.5%, you need to add a change in the price that is 125. Now, what will be the final price? The final price will be, P final, will be the price initial plus the change. This equation is very important. It's very important because we use in calculus all the time. So P final will be P initial 50 plus the change in P. The change in P is 1.25. So P final is 51.25. Okay, now let's go to do the problem in a different way. Let's say that I want the price to be 52.5. 52.5. I want the price P final to be 52.5. And I'm asking you, what this 50, if the initial price P initial is 50, what is the percentage that I'm adding? So this is very important in economics because we talk sometimes in percentage, especially when we will study the elasticity of the demand. We will talk about percentage of increase or decrease in the price. Okay, so let's go to do this problem. We need to find what percentage means that the final price is 52.5. So delta P, in this case, the change in the price is 2.5. And what is the percentage that has been added to the price? What is the percentage? The percentage will be delta P divided by P multiplied by 100. Let's go to do it to see what is the result. What it means, $2.5. Let's go to put dollar here, dollars, and this is the final price, US dollar. So it's delta P divided by P initial. So it will be 100. The change in the price is 2.5, and the initial price is 50. So it will be 100 multiplied by 2 is 200, because it's 2.5 is 250 divided by 50. 1 0 will go, and 25 divided by 5 is 5. So 5% is the change in the price if you change from 50 to $52.5, 5%. So what we have learned is that if you have this amount, P initial, and you make a change in the price, this is the change in the price, the percentage that represents this change in the price, it will be the change in P divided by P multiplied by 100. So this is the percentage of increase in the price of the shirt. And what are the units of this percentage? The price is in dollar. The change in price is in dollar. So dollar divided by dollar have no units. So this percentage have no units. And the advance of working with not units will be very useful when we study the elasticity of the demand. Now, you can practice these two ideas by doing the following two exercises that I'm going to write. So the two questions that I have just created is, imagine that your initial money is $2,328, and you want to increase your money in 3.5%. So you want to have 3.5% more than your initial money. So the question is, what is the change in your money in US dollar? How many dollars represent this 3.5%? And what is your final money? The money that you will have after earning 3.5%. Okay, the question two is the reverse question in some way. If your initial money is 12,328 and you want to ask, I need to earn $950. What percentage means $950 of the $2,328? And the second question is, what is your final money? Of course, your final money is what you have plus what you earn. Okay, good luck.